Hey my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome to the prop firm section of my channel. In this section we're going to be going through many different prop firms out there, and we're going to be seeing if they're a good fit for you to get funded or not. Today's video we may as well start with one of the biggest ones out there, FTMO. I'm going to go over to the website, show you exactly what I look for when I'm looking to sign up for challenges and get funded. So just going to break it down. This is an honest review. I have no affiliation with FTMO. There's no affiliate links here. I'm not an affiliate with them. I'm just basically sharing with you my process when I'm looking for a prop firm, and this will be the same case for every prop firm that I review here. So I'm going to head over to their website. And before we get started, if you are new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed yet, make sure you show your support, hit the subscribe button, and so I can keep on creating content like this. Share my near 15 years experience in the FX markets. So FTMO, is it good or not? Now I did pass a couple of challenges with them 2 years ago, and I never got funded by them. Basically I didn't like the kind of conditions then, but going through the website a little earlier, I have signed up to a 50k swing trade account challenge, and I'm going to share with you the reasons why here. So a couple of things is a must for me when I'm looking at a prop firm. It is no time limits to pass the challenges or verifications, and the drawdown limits. Okay, the bigger the better. I preferably like prop firms that have only one drawdown limit and it does not trail. Okay, and I will explain that in a minute. So one of the things I like about FTMO now, so the first thing I'm looking at here, one of the things I like now is the unlimited time period to pass your challenge on verification. Now the reason I like this, and the reason you shouldn't really sign up the prop firms that have time limits that are forcing you to make a certain amount of money in a certain amount of time with strict drawdown limits, is because that kind of prop firm is designed to make you feel the challenges and sign up to as many challenges as possible. Because simply put, when you're trading under, most traders, trading is hard enough, and when you're put under pressure like that to make a certain amount of money in a certain amount of time, you're going to make mistakes, especially if it's coming up towards the end of the challenge period. You're going to start taking bigger trades, you're going to start making mistakes, and they know that you're going to end up blowing up. So that was one of the big red flags before with the FTMO I did not like. Now they have the unlimited trading period. I like that, and probably one of the biggest reasons why I've signed up to one of their account. And they don't have many challenges like a lot of these prop firms out there. You see, they have all certain different names for certain types of challenges. They have one challenge, okay? They have a normal and aggressive thing. There's no like fancy names or gimmicks. Okay, one challenge. Hit this profit target. Don't do this drawdown limit within a certain period of time. Perfect. Okay, that's what you kind of want. The simpler the rules, the better. So minimum trading days, that's fine. What I like, again, the distance between the daily loss and the maximum loss. Okay, on a normal account, you've got a 5% daily loss, which is fine, it's doable, and a maximum loss of 10%, which is great. Okay, I like that. That is perfect. That is the perfect distance. Some of these prop firms out there that I have seen maybe have a daily loss of 4% and a maximum loss of 5%. I don't see the point in that. Okay, they may as well make it either 4 or 5, and I will be reviewing some of these prop firms as we go along in this section of my channel. That is fine. The profit target is a 10% profit target on the initial challenge, and then a 5%, which is good. Before it used to be 10 and 10, now it's 10 and 5, which is excellent. You have unlimited time period, and another big one I like now is the refund. So basically signing up for a challenge, if you have a method that works consistently and you're playing by the rules, you can just see it as an investment to get your money back. So you've unlimited time to pass the challenge, 10%, then 5%, and then you get a refund of what you've signed up for. So it's kind of perfect. I like it. I like their new rules, their new setup, which is good. This is the one I signed up for. First I'll explain the aggressive. So again, trading period is fantastic. You have a 10% max daily drawdown, which is good. 20% maximum loss, which is good if you're a lot more aggressive. But you do have to make 20% and then 10%. So to get funded, you've got to make 30%. So again, if you are a bit more aggressive, you like this, it costs a little bit more. But if you like bigger drawdowns, then this is the one for you. Again, this is the one I signed up for. Okay, and today, this is it. Okay, I signed up for the swing account. Next, you want to just have a brief look at the rules. I'm going to explain why I signed up to the swing account. Now, if you do hold trades over weekends or overnight, you want the swing account. So make sure you have, when you are signing up, make sure you sign up to the swing account. Because if in the challenge stages, all accounts have, you can trade, as it says here, you don't need to trade. You can hold trades overnight and over the weekend on all accounts when you are doing the challenge and verification, but when you get funded, this stops. So make sure you sign up for the swing account if you do hold trades overnight or over the weekends, just so there's no problems in the future if you do end up getting funded. And so everything looks good on the website. What you want to be doing next? Well, one thing I have heard about FTMO on it, to be honest, they do state it on their website, is even when you do get funded, you are still trading on a demo account. I think what they're saying is if you do, the trades are sent to the demo server and then they're executed via, I don't know, some means on their own liquidity provider. Again, I'm not too sure, but you do always trade on a demo environment, even if you're funded or not. But I've done my research, they do look like they pay people out. And before you actually do sign up, you want to do your quick, just check review sites like Trustpilot. You want to be going over there, over to Trustpilot, Forex Peace Army, and you don't want to be reading the 5-star reviews because it is very easy to purchase 5-star reviews. And what you want to be doing is looking at the 1-star, 2-star, 3-star reviews where people have actually taken their time to post reviews. Just see if there's a pattern in the kind of reviews. If it's just people complaining that they've breached their drawdown limits or things like that, I wouldn't be too fussed about that. If you do have any concerns, what I would do is just send FTMO an email and ask them any questions. I'd also check social media, Facebook, Instagram. Check their Facebook pages or Instagram pages. Now, I'm not personally on social media. I hate social media. I'm not on Twitter, Facebook, anything like that there, as I deleted all them a couple of years ago, as probably I hate social media, to be honest. I am on YouTube, but Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, I'm not on any of those channels. So make sure you go over there. You can do your due diligence there, see what people are talking about. If they do have a Discord channel, you can go to their Discord channel. And yeah, so I have signed up for a challenge. I'm going to keep you posted on how it goes. It will probably take me a few months to pass this challenge. I will do weekly updates maybe on it and just keep you posted on how it is all going for me. But again, the reasons I signed up for the challenge today was basically the unlimited time period. They've got good drawdown limits, and from what I've seen, they do pay profitable traders out. A few years ago, I wouldn't have signed up again for them. I didn't like the time restrictions on the challenges. I like to trade at my own pace, especially nowadays that I'm a swing trader with my weekly swing positions. I'm not really active that much in the day trade market. So that is my honest review of FTMO. Again, no affiliation here, no affiliate links. That's basically the process I've went through when I've signed up for them today. So I'll keep you updated on how the challenge goes. Let me know any thoughts or any experiences you've had with FTMO. And yeah, thanks for watching. Will over at Pips and Gains.